Hello and welcome to Designers World CBE. We are going to see about the sweep and boolean operations in MasterCam. First, let's see the sweep features. For the sweep features, we need two sketches. One sketch will be your guide paths and another sketch will be your profile. So let's make the first sketch and top plane. So this is what my first sketch, and the second sketch will be perpendicular to the first sketch. In my design I will use my front plane, which will be my second sketch area. So I will just go for polygon and design it. Okay, and click OK. If you see, there are two sketches has been created. So now I will go for solids option and select sweep, and first the chaining option menu will be pop-up, and it calls for selection of profile. So I will just select the profile and click OK, and next it asks for select along chain option. So I will just select the path, and if you see, the sweep 3D model has been generated. Okay, now let's see the boolean operation. For what is boolean? First of all, boolean operation is, in school days itself we have learned about the boolean operations. In this there will be an add option, subtract and union. So when we compare to the MasterCam, we have three types of boolean operation in the MasterCam. One will be your add option, and second one will be your remove, which will be in third option it will be a common. So for generating the boolean operation we need two solids. If you noted on, so if you want to see how many solids in your sketch, you can go to your solids manager, and if you see on solids it has only one solid. So only the boolean operation workouts on two solids. So I will just design second solid. So I will just go with the block and design my block, and I'll just give the height. If you see, the two bodies are intersected roughly. So now go to boolean option, and it calls for select the target body. Which body you need the changes, it will be your target body. So I will select the block, and it calls for select your tool body. So it will be your die. Okay, I will select the tool and click OK. If you see, because now in the boolean feature, if you see here, it has three types which I told before. One is add and remove and common. Now if you see add, the two solids will be merged and it will be added into one. So for your understanding I will just show you. If you see in the solids tab of solids manager, there is two solids. So I will just click this plus button. One will be your sweep and another one will be your block. Now I will just go to the boolean feature and click I have selected the add option and click OK. Now if you see, the two solids has been merged into one solid, and one will be the block and another the boolean add option has been enabled, and the sweep goes subchain to it. Okay, I will show you next boolean remove. I will just delete the feature and region all, and if you see, it has two bodies. So I will just again go to boolean, and as it is, select the target body and select the tool body and click OK. Now I will just select the remove type. What function here occurs is, the two solids intersected area which is removed from the target body. So if you select here, the same wise the two solids will be converted to one solid, and the boolean remove option is enabled, and the sweep will be goes under to this. Okay, Now again this is what the boolean remove option, common type. Okay, I will again go with the boolean and select the target body and select the tool body and click OK. Now I will just go with the common type. If you see, the intersected areas alone will be appears and all other unintersected areas got vanished. This is what the boolean operation. The same wise, if you see in the solid tree, the two solids has been merged into one solid and it calls boolean common, and the sweep goes sub child to that. Okay, now this is the end of the video. Let's see you in another video. Please subscribe and share the video, and we are also doing freelance services like CAM programming, concept designs, cost estimation, conversion services like 2D sketches to 3D model, and 3D model to 2D drawings, which will be a drafting, and the regular cages and special cage designs. And we are also manufacturing the cages and supplying to various of industries, and we are also in expertise in tailor-made cutting tool design and manufacturing. To reach us, please visit our website, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share and be safe.